Welcome everyone. My name is Robert Domenko. You can see my URL below, so you can see I'm actually a real person. Today I'm going to be doing a review of Traffic Cataclysm. That's right, Traffic Cataclysm. It's a mouthful, guys. I know it is. It's some software that's been developed and training material that's been developed by the guru of Facebook marketing. He's sensational. He's been doing it for a number of years, and he's making extremely good income on Facebook. And what he's done with conjunction with a couple other people is provide the formula that he uses to make this income. Sensational. And it's a step-by-step introduction. I'm going to be showing you the product in a moment. But I'm going to do a few things I'm going to want to make you aware. If you watch near the end of my video, you're going to be getting additional bonuses that complements the work by GTIP and in this Traffic Cataclysm. You're going to love these products. They're going to be really, really useful for you. So you're going to watch to the end. I'm going to give you the URL at the end. So there's some you really, really take note. The other thing I'm going to do is that you have the chance to look at other reviews, but I'm going to entice you at buying through my link below. I'm going to give you some unique bonuses that I use to help me do my affiliate marketing. I've been doing it now for a couple of years. I actually started about 10 years ago, and I had a lot of stop starts. Didn't do really good at it. Well at it, until I realised I need to be a lot more patient. It takes time, you do need a bit of patience to do this, and you get better and better, and you can make it an income. Now you can certainly, I've replaced my corporate income that I was a senior manager doing this full time, and my lifestyle has just gone sensational. I'm just wearing t-shirts and shorts these days. So remember, click on the link down below, and you'll be able to have access to the bonus I'm going to give you in a moment, plus this product. The product's only really cheap. It's $12.93 for the basic product. You can't go wrong, and it's sensational. But they've got a few other products that would be interested. But I'm going to show you the bonuses I'm going to provide to you. One is that being an affiliate marketer, you will get a list. You will get a list over time, and how to monetize those lists in the most effective way can be quite difficult. And I'm going to show you some of the tips I use to more than double and sometimes even triple my profits when I first started by sending out emails. They're great tips. Now I've done a lot of training over the years, spent thousands of dollars on training courses to get ideas and tips. And here you'll learn some of the really important tips. I know you're going to love it. It's worth every cent. The product. So you're going to get this for free because this product you'll get much value. The second thing is that how to get these lists. I'm going to show you what I do to get these lists and build these lists, and some of the ways boost my list faster and faster. They're really hands-on guide how to do it, step-by-step instructions to help you do this. So I know, that it shows you how it does in Facebook, but this is my spin on how I did getting Facebook, big people to buy stuff on my Facebook post. It complements actually what GTIP does. This is a slightly different way, but it's certainly worth the double view of how to do things. So you will learn a lot from here, along with the other program that he does from buying this particular product. On Facebook, Instagram, you got to know both of them. Instagram is a sensational way to sell. It's growing in popularity. It's a lot faster, and it's a different demographics. I'm going to show you what I do to get buyers to buy from my Facebook, Instagram, and the product at the end of the video will complement the stuff I do in this. So watch out. Make sure you watch to the end. The final one, I talked to the guys who developed the Traffic Cataclysm to give you some additional bonus that you will love, absolutely love, love, love. It's going to make a big difference in the way you do your affiliate marketing. All the education you do, you've got to keep learning every day because the market's changing, new techniques, new ideas. It's really sensational. So these are 5 great bonuses I'm going to provide you if you buy from the link below. Now, let's look at the product, guys. I'm sure that, before we do that, I'm going to show you the products. There are actually 5 different products. Traffic Cataclysm is the base product that if you haven't done much before of this stuff, it may be a little bit difficult to work through. But if you've done this before, it's a great product. That's all you need. It's an additional training material. The ones there's Traffic Cataclysm Hack. It's a bit more details, a bit more training that can actually help you work better at Facebook. It's only $47. The one I would go for if you're a beginner, or say, and haven't been doing for many, if you've done for less than 6 months, the 7 times income, or you're the lazy affiliate marketer, they will provide 6, where they'll set it up for you, and you can start promoting. Isn't that insane? It's really, really good, and you'll get your money back straight away, guys. Within 30 days. You've got a 30-day money back guarantee on all these products, so you can't go wrong. Then you got for those people who have done affiliate marketing and want to spend less time doing this type of stuff, they do a DFY income funnel at $147. Well, that's very, very tempting for me because I'm running out of time for doing all these things, and it's nice to be able to supplement my income by getting someone else to do the work for me, and I know I'll get the money back in a few, less than a few days actually. And also, they also have this little special offer where they will send you traffic from their websites, and they do that because they see the benefit of sharing and getting other people to sell their products. So it's really worthwhile. Now let's go look at the product itself. It's a web-based product, access to any of all the different systems. They have the support where you can ask questions, and they actually have all the other different products across the top here. The Cataclysm Hack, 7 times income, unlimited traffic, do your DFY income funnel, and you can actually resell rebrand it, so and reselling it. So there's a number of different ways to do this. So along here, got the introduction videos, how to do things. Congratulations. You can join their Facebook groups. So you can, it's good to do that because you can learn how the other people are working on a lot of good information. So worthwhile. Then they've got all these training programs each day. You do take your time going through it, one day at a time, to get it digested. You might need to watch it 2 or 3 times, guys. There's a lot of information in these videos. I spend a bit of time going through this because this is a pre-release copy, and I'm very, very pleased of how well this product has been developed. And I'm will be using some of these tips. By the way, I will be buying the 197 product. And the Facebook's always changing. You do need to keep up to date. Keep out, guys. You need to do things. There's little tricks of the trade you need to find out. So do so. And then they do also give you some additional bonuses. These are not the bonuses I spoke to about before. You will take advantage of this, and I'm sure you're going to love these products. So remember, now guys, as promised, get a pen and paper, and I'm going to put the screen up now, and on the screen there's a URL. Take that URL, type it up, and I'm giving you a bit of time writing it. Yep, got it. This URL will give you instant access to over 7,500 images and items that you could use to help get your customers on Facebook and Instagram right. So it comes in. You need it as a zip file, so you need to unzip it and put it onto your directory. And this 4,500 viral images has a number of different folders you can use to, depending on what market you want to aim for. If you've got family issues, family, you get lots and lots of different images you can use on your Facebook or Instagram. This is over a couple of years worth of items you can put on your Facebook pages and Instagram. And also, you're talking about in motivational quotes. Wow, there's so many information. You won't need to go any further. Also, I'm going to be giving you access to how I do ClickBank marketing. ClickBank marketing has sensational ways of making income, because there's so many different things you can download and share with your customers and promote it. Because customers quite often find it hard to find information. You're going to do a bit of the hard work, find the right piece of information, and share with your clientele on your list of all the different things they may be interested in. So, for example, if you're a doomsdayer, you can find doomsday products for your clientele, because they would be interested, and save them doing the legwork finding the product themselves. So they're great value-add products. But thanks for watching the end of the video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and you'll be able to click, if you click on the link below, you can get the basic training program for $12.93, I think it was. Let me just check on that. Yeah, $12.95. That's 2 cents out, guys. You can get all this training material, and you'll be able to start earning good coin from this. Certainly, I would, if I was a beginner, I would do the 7 times income. And if you've got a bit of extra cash, do the DFY income funnel. They're great products. All you need is click on the links here, and you'll be click on the titles, and you'll get straight to the products itself. So thanks for watching, guys. I know you're going to love this product. You can't really go wrong. Look forward. Make sure you like my page and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys. Bye.